Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best air compressors for cars on Amazon. Flat tires are never fun, but thankfully, you can avoid them by keeping your tires at the proper pressure, which is why air compressors for cars are so important. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Astro I Air Compressor Tire Inflator. Incorporating a digital interface and simple controls, this highly compact air compressor can fit anywhere in your vehicle. It includes a well-sized 12-volt attachment cord. This connects the machine easily to the car and your tire with 10 feet of leeway. Featuring a handle at the top for easy carrying, you can even fit this model in some glove compartments. It comes with all the hardware you need to connect it, including multiple nozzles to improve compatibility. Getting standard car tires up to 35 pounds per square inch in a matter of minutes, it is calibrated to read the tire pressure to within less than 2%. It's worth noting that if you leave it running for too long, it is likely to overheat. Be sure to let it cool off every 10 minutes or so. So long as you don't work the compressor too hard, it will keep performing for quite some time. Number 2. VacLife Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. If you're in need of a reliable tire inflator that can handle both cars and bikes, then you may want to consider the VacLife Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This compact and lightweight air pump is designed to provide quick and efficient inflation for tires, with a maximum pressure of 150 psi for bikes and 50 psi for car tires. One of the standout features of the VacLife Tire Inflator is its portability. It is compact enough to fit in the trunk of your car, and it comes with a carrying bag for easy transport. This makes it ideal for emergency situations when you need to inflate a flat tire on the go. Number 3. Kenson Analog Tire Inflator. With the Kenson Analog Tire Inflator's small size, you won't have to sacrifice safety for vacation supplies. This air compressor connects to your car's DC outlet, in addition to any standard wall plug-in. The 120-watt motor works powerfully, including all types of materials quickly. With a simple rectangular structure, you hold it by the handle, and the front can double as a flashlight. On top of the handle is a crisp LCD screen that highlights the simple controls. Coming with extra nozzles so you can use it both on tires and other inflatables, it's pretty convenient to have when camping. Durable and built to last, this compressor is a handy tool to keep around. Keep in mind that this is small but mighty, and that means it can overheat. Number 4. Prow Portable Air Compressor Tire Inflator. This air compressor features a compact design and is one of the smallest compressors around. The system runs on both AC and DC currents so that you can plug it into a wall outlet or your car's 12-volt adapter. The analog dial highlights the pressure in 3 metrics, going up to 100 pounds per square inch. It's capable of inflating tires up to 35 psi in just a few minutes. It comes with a standard nozzle and 2 extra attachments so that you can use it with any tire. The controls are user-friendly and straightforward, taking any guesswork out of filling your tires. While ideal for filling tires on cars and light trucks, this pump won't be powerful enough to perform heavy-duty tasks. Everything from a bicycle tire to a 1-ton truck works, but anything requiring more pressure needs a more powerful compressor. Number 5. Wagon 12-volt Direct Drive Air Compressor. The Wagon 12-volt Direct Drive Air Compressor is of exceptionally high quality, backed by a 1-year warranty. It fills tires quickly, pushing 25 liters of compressed air into your flat tire and quickly returning it to the proper pressure. It comes with a standard 10-foot power cord and a sturdy air hose. Designed to reliably reach 100 pounds per square inch, it is designed for lighter trucks, SUVs, and cars. With a simple on-off switch and straightforward design, it makes a great addition to your truck's emergency gear. Basic and affordable, it's a good pick if you want to keep it simple and keep the compressor as a backup for whenever you need to inflate something. Because the machine is so sleek, it doesn't have much of a body covering the compressor itself, meaning there's nothing to buffer the noise. While it has no impact on performance, it can get pretty loud. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, So do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.